lifts the spirits of so many people that see me in it. I have received so many compliments on this coat. Yes, the other ones as well, but especially this one because I think it's very festive. And it also just has a beautiful shape to it. Something that really will, you know, cinch everything in, that's for sure. It's like holding me together here. So I like that aspect of this. I just feel like it's, I just like the whole design of this coat. And I have something similar in white, but it has a sash to it and it only has 2 buttons. I really like the way that this one just buttons all the way down basically, and it's like a dress. It's a coat dress. Later today I am going to the DMV with my husband. We are finally going to register our cars. So we've gotten our licenses. I mean, they haven't come in the mail yet, but we have our temporary ones. And you have to register your car at a different location. So that's what we're going to do together today. He said to meet him there right after he got off of work. So I need to make sure to basically have everything so that I can go and do that in case I'm still out. So before I leave, I want to have everything together that I'm supposed to have, and not have to leave like the last time that I went to the DMV. And then I can kind of leisurely do a little bit of shopping. This is our budget-friendly tree. Everybody went off to bed, so I don't want to be too loud. So we decided to just get a shorter strand of Christmas lights, and I should have gotten the longer one. It's okay. I will go back and I will get another strand tomorrow. But are you laughing at my tree? I'm sorry, but I have not decorated with color in a very long time, so I am new to this, okay? At least to this degree. But I have to say that this is completely brightening my mood. I love it. Would I want it in the front of the house? Probably not, but I really like it in here, and I love the glow that it casts, and I don't know, it's time for me to bring back red. I haven't decorated with red in so long. I know that there was like a year or 2 where I did, but it's time that I bring it back. It really does make me happy around this time of year. I kind of feel like the other is a bit too cold. It just, I don't know, it kind of makes me a little sad. So this definitely brightens my day. Okay, let's talk about these boxes. And I know that the lighting isn't great, but these are so pretty. I found these when I went to TJ Maxx, and they are by Simply Shabby Chic. I want to say, let me take a look. Yeah, Shabby Chic right there. So I actually found a roll, the only roll that they had of wrapping paper that matched this. It didn't have the gold foil on top, but it was still just so pretty, and I wanted it in case I needed to wrap some more gifts, and then of course to give other people. So these are perfect for what I am going to be using for storage after the holidays. I want to be able to store all of the ornaments and the Christmas lights and everything like that in boxes like this. And then down in my laundrette, I have plenty of storage space so that I no longer will have to use a shed or the garage to store such things. And I just think about how much more comfortable it will be to get all of the decor out when I'm ready to do that, you know, come that time of year. We have so much storage down there that I just have so many empty cabinets. So that's where I plan on storing that stuff. With the bows, because I got these as well. This was by Cupcakes and Cashmere. They were bows for I'm losing you here. My camera is really not doing well. It's time to get a new camera, I can tell you that. But the bows were for gifts. So I'm even thinking of going back to get one more set. And I just like that they have the twisty tie on the back, and I can use them to decorate the tree. I could use it to decorate, you know, a gift box, whatever the case may be. But anyway, I'm starting out with the bows. What I love about this is that it just makes me think of humble beginnings, and just, you know, that it's okay to be on a budget. It's okay to not have it all and not have it all together. And Jorge picked out this tree. I came walking up to Smith's. We drove there together after the DMV, and because I told him it's time to get a tree, and he said, well, I saw some little ones at Smith's for $29, and I just started laughing, and I said, yes, of course, that would be perfect, because he said we can't spend much more than that on a tree right now. And so, you know what, I'm really trying to not like push something that I want just because I want it. I'm really listening to him a lot more about, you know, if something's not a good time or something like that. Like, I don't even argue about it anymore, because I know that so many different things that I have wanted and pushed for in the past, it has caused us you know, some kind of harm. That is what I have to share with you today. Thank you so much for being here. I look forward to seeing you in my next video.